Just got alert. Hopefully. Yep!
Service in Mobile has issued Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 31 nautical miles southwest of Oriskany Reef, or 45 nautical miles south of Perdido Pass, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Tidal information at the mouth of the